Hey friends, Hattie again. I am live from the hospitality room and I wanted to share with you guys what the prizes were for today. So if you spun the wheel and you landed on the little teacup, you would get this new product here. It is the Christmas Greetings, let me see what this says. Christmas Greetings Mix and Match Specialty Cards and Envelopes. So those are always fun. I love those. And then, it doesn't have it here, but I can show you over on the table because everybody must have picked the little penguin, which was like the designer series paper that coordinated with that. But then the other option, or maybe it was this one. And anyways, the other option was this one here. So this is all new stuff that's going to be coming out for the holiday season. So this stuff is not available right now, but it will be. So stay tuned for that. This is called the Greetings for You Mix and Match ephemera pack. Those are always fun and easy, a very easy way to embellish your projects, right? And then what would have been in that basket right there is a designer series paper, and they have a sample out here for us to take a look at. So let's take a closer look today. So here's one side. The lighting is a bit dim in here, but you guys can see that this is one that you can chop up. You can get 6 different card fronts, I guess you could say. I've never really seen anybody do anything with just in this format here. They usually kind of cut it up, trim it down, and make it into something else. So there's that. And then here's the great other side. I love just kind of fun patterns that are very neutral like that. Here's another one. Here's another type where you can, again, this one maybe you could actually do something with both of those together, or you can just cut this piece off here and just do them as 2 separate pieces. Gives you a lot of options there. And then here's the other side. And then this looks like the other side of that one that has the 6 pieces. It is. Okay. So then you've got this again. I showed you that already. And then this one is, it looks like basic beige maybe is the color. I'm not really sure because of the lighting, but maybe basic beige. And on this side, you've got some cute ornaments. And then again, just like a totally different strip. So you have a lot of options here where you can actually trim that down and use that separately. That's fun that they do that. Was it this way? I think so. Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh, I like this one. This one's gonna be fun at the holiday time. So we've got like a plaid here, and let's see what the other side looks like. Okay, the other side it's kind of like 2 different colors of green, and it looks like a white, like white snowflakes or white stars. And then I love this. Look at this, you guys. We've got some little cutouts here. This really makes embellishing your card a lot easier. So as you can see, these are perforated pieces and they're very bright and vibrant. So you can take these and easily embellish a card with it. These pieces have fallen out here. But you've got this. Let me see if it's 2-sided. It's not. And typically they're not. So you got just this one side here. And there's that. And then let's look at a different pattern here, because this one has like a little cardinal on there and a wreath. This one goes with that. Let me stack it there. I'm messing this all up. Okay, this is like the end of the day, so hopefully everybody's gotten their pictures and videos and it's okay. And then here's another one. You've got a poinsettia and you've got some ornaments, a candy cane. So lots of fun little embellishments there. So it looks like you're gonna get 2 of these perforated pieces and 2 like 6x6 sets of them and 2 different ones. Okay, so there's that. And they pop out super easy. And you just throw some dimensionals on there and your card is like done. Now here's the one that I actually won. I won these. These are the note cards and envelopes. So you'll see that they're regular envelopes, right? But then they've got this really pretty detail at the top on the flap. That's fun. You could actually even use this flap. You can cut it and use it as a design on your card if you wanted to. So we've got 2 colors. You've got this green one and then you've got kind of this like crumb cake, or I always want to say Sahara sand, but it's not. Basic beige, and it's got a gold embellishment to it. And then here are the cards. So the cards are white on one side, makes it easy, and then the entire other side is the matching pattern to the envelopes. So I'm sure you can mix and match, but you know me, if you guys follow me, you know I love matchy stuff. So there it is. I just wanted to show you guys. Let me see if there's anything else going on over here. Anything new? I don't think so. I think I kind of showed you guys all of this before. These were our treats for today. And I better steal some of these to go.
Oh, really?
I'm not going to flip the camera on because we had a whole day of beach and pool. We went to Typhoon Lagoon, which was a little bit crazy. We didn't stay as long as we would have wanted to. Let's pick out some candy. Let's get some for Sterling. You guys, I got him one of these blow pops. He's never had one before. We weren't paying attention to him when we looked down. He had the bubble gum just stretched all over his legs and his hands. And so I would have taken a picture because I love snapping pictures, but that was like a crisis. So anyways, these things are delicious. The high chews, I haven't had these in a long time, so I better get one of each of these. I better get two of each of these because then I can share. There we go. Did I get them all? Yep. And then let's see here. One of my favorites, and it's gone already because I got some this morning, were the Hershey Nuggets with the almonds in it. Those are my absolute favorites. Love them. Let's get one of these for Sterling too. I promise you these are for Sterling and not for me. Well, some of it's for me. What are you getting over here?
I don't know.
Something good?
We'll try one of these.
Okay, let's see here. Anyway, so we went to the Typhoon Lagoon, and I know my friend Terry loves like the water park, and I was going to message her today about it. It was crazy, too packed. I don't think they like, I guess like manage like how many people can come in. I wish I had pockets. I need to take some more of this. They don't manage how many people can come in. And so it was overly packed. Okay, I think that's it. Here's my stash, my second time here. All right, so we'll just kind of head back to the hotel. My hotel room, because I got to get ready for tonight. We have our farewell party tonight. But anyways, we went to Typhoon Lagoon, could not stay. Oh, shoot, I forgot my glasses and my water bottle. And couldn't say, well, hi, because it was so busy. But then we ended up going to the pool. Look at this cute water bottle. This was from Aldi. They had like a whole Disney theme going on. But anyways, that's it, you guys. I'm just going to go back and get ready for the party tonight. And yeah, the farewell party is going to be at Animal Kingdom. Stampin' Up! Has sectioned off a portion of it that they'll close down for our event. And if I can go live there, I will to show you guys. Otherwise, I will catch up with you later. All right, thanks guys. Bye.